Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening your Clipchamp project and placing the exact script where you want narration. Choose voice and language first because selection affects cadence and emphasis. Once chosen, adjust speed slightly to match video pacing. Paste or type segments, then split long scripts into shorter lines for natural breaks. Make sure to save iterations as separate clips so you can /b compare. If you need punctuation to shape intonation, add commas, dashes, or ellipses, they matter. Once your base TTS clips are in place, focus on timing and natural flow, move clips on the timeline to match scene changes and on-screen actions. Tweak speed and slight pitch shifts to avoid monotony, make shorter sentences faster and longer ones slower. Add brief audio fades so words don't start or stop abruptly. If you use music, duck it under the voice track. Make sure the vocal stays intelligible and re-listen on headphones and speakers. To finish, play the entire sequence and listen critically. Preview at normal and faster speeds to expose timing or clarity problems. Export with 1080p and AAC audio to preserve quality across platforms. If a line sounds off, regenerate that specific clip and adjust punctuation, because commas and ellipses change intonation. Also check for overlapping audio clips or unintended volume spikes. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.